How to remove recommended songs from Spotify playlist. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps and how you can recover recommended songs from your Spotify playlist. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. Now basically on Spotify, whenever you're listening to a particular playlist, then you'll get the recommendations there which can start playing automatically, right? Now how you can remove it? Now basically to remove these recommendations, what you can do is you can simply turn off the shuffle option here. Now here it is premium feature, but so let me show you here. I'll just head into a particular album. So what you need to do is you need to simply turn off the shuffle there, and you want to gray it out. Now this is the premium feature, so hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.